Aloo Matar is a beloved classic, but today we are giving it a twist with a dry masala version that's quick, flavorful, and packed with the essence of traditional spices. With some tips and tricks, we will show you how to make this curry simply at home. Begin by heating mustard oil in a kadhai or a pan. Let the oil reach its smoking point to neutralize its strong flavor. Then temper it with whole cumin seeds to release its earthy flavor. Then add ginger paste and garlic paste. Fry them on a high flame for a minute to remove any raw flavor. Next, toss in chopped onions and green chilies adjusted according to your spice preference. Saute the onions on high heat for 2 minutes until they turn translucent. This step removes the rawness of the onions and reduces the moisture content in it. Next, we have taken potatoes diced into 1-inch cubes and kept them in water to prevent browning and remove the excess starch. Drain and add the potatoes to the pan along with a pinch of salt to speed up the cooking. Fry the potatoes on high heat for 2 minutes, ensuring they soak up the aromatic base. You can observe that we haven't browned our onions, as this prevents any bitterness while they cook with the potatoes. Then reduce the flame, cover and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Your potatoes should be nearly tender by the end of this step. At this stage, add fresh or frozen green peas to the pan. Fry on high flame to heat the peas and start the cooking process. The green peas will cook really fast, so lower the flame, cover and cook for another 3 minutes. Check the potatoes by breaking one open. They should be perfectly done. We will spice it up by adding turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder for color, coriander powder, cumin powder, and a touch of tangy amchoor powder. Mix well, letting the vegetables absorb the spices on low flame for 2 minutes. We added the spices at this stage of cooking to prevent them from burning due to the lack of moisture released from the veggies. For the final touch, sprinkle a bit of ghee or butter, a small dash of garam masala, and garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Your Aloo Matar Dry Masala is ready to serve. Serve this with hot puris, flaky parathas, or even steamed rice. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time, happy cooking!